to the students, class 13, continue to the quadratic equation. Example number 4, that is solve x square plus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus 2 is equal to 0. Solve quadratic equation. This is a non-factorizable form is there. By apply the formula, first it's before, this is a quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to what? 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 2. This is non-factorizable form. We know that the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Substitute a value, b value and c value, that is b value is what? 0, yes, 0, plus or minus square root of b square 0 minus 4ac, here 4, a is what? A is 1, c is what? 2, divided by 2 into 1 is equal to, that is 0 plus or minus square root of 4 2s are 8 divided by 2. That is equal to, here plus or minus as it is, plus or minus as it is. Root of minus 8 is there. If minus take outside, that is I, root 8 divided by 2. Understood? This is minus 8 can express in the form of root of minus 1 root of 8. This can be written I root 8 is equal to plus or minus I as it is, 8 can written 2 root 2 divided by 2. 2 to get cancel is equal to plus or minus I root 2. Here root 8 can written express in the form of what? 4 2s are 8. Here root 4 root 2. Root 4 is what? 2. 2 root 2. This is here x value in the form of 1 is plus I root 2, another one minus I root 2. These two values. Here x square plus 2 is equal to 0. This is non-factorizable form. By using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute all values. Root of minus 8, negative root of minus 1 is what? I. Here, because keep in your mind, root of minus 1 is equal to what? I. Next, example number 5. Next, example number 5. Solve. Here all solve is there. 2 marks question is there. All quadratic equation. 2 marks, 1 question fix. 2 marks examples is there. All solve examples. That is root 5 x square plus x plus root 5 is equal to 0. This is non-factorizable form. Let root 5x square plus x plus root 5 is equal to 0. This is in the form of what? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to what? Root 5, b is equal to what? 1, c is equal to what? Root 5. This is a, this is b, this is c, where a, b, c are real coefficients, coefficients of real coefficients. We know that the formula, non-factorizable form, we know that the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute a value, b value, c value in this formula. That is, here b value is what? 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4, a is what? Root 5, c is what? Root 5 divided by 2 root 5, 2 root 5. Next, that is equal to minus 1 as it is, plus or minus square root of here 1 minus 4 into 5, because here denominator 2 root 5. We know that root a is equal to a, root 5 is equal to 5. That is root 5 is what? Root 25. This can be expressed here, root 25 is equal to 5. Root a, root b, root ab is there. This can be written in the form of what? Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 20 divided by 2 root 5. Next is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root minus 19 divided by 2 root 5. Minus 19, root of minus 19 can written root of minus 1 root of 19. Root of minus 1 is what? Imaginary I. This can be written minus 1 plus or minus I times of root 19 divided by 2 root 5. Therefore, two values, that is x is equal to, one is positive, one is negative. 2 root 5 minus 1 minus root 19 2 root 5, these two values. Listen here, solve root 5 x square plus x plus root 5 is equal to 0. Here quadratic equation solve, 2 marks, 1 question fixed in your annual examination. Solve. Here solve is there, not mentioned by using the formula, without using the formula. If you compulsory, must and should using the formula. Let root 5 x square plus x plus root 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a value is what? Root 5, b value is what? 1, c value is root 5, constant. We know that non-factorizable formula here, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. This is the any quadratic equation non-factorizable for finding the value of x, finding the roots, that is the formula. B value is what? 1 substitute, 1 square, 4 as it is, a is what? Root 5, c is what? Root 5. That is root 5 square and root get cancelled, otherwise root 5 is what? 5. Here 1 minus 4 into 5, 1 minus 4 into 5 is what? 20. 1 minus 20 is what? Minus 19. Understood? Minus 19. Here negative take outside, that is imaginary I. root 19. One is positive, one is negative. That is the two roots. Next, example number 6. Next, example number 6. Solve that is x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Let x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is what 1, b is what 3, c is what 5. We know that the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here, that is minus b as it is, minus b value. Here minus b value is what 3, b value is 3, plus or minus square root of b square 3 square minus 4. A is what 1, c is what 5 divided by 2. A is what 1. That is, here value is what minus 3 plus or minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 into 5 20 divided by 2. 9 minus 20 is what 11. Which 11? Minus 11. Minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 11 divided by 2. Root 11 in the form of what? Here negative outside plus or minus I times of root 11 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 positive, 1 negative, minus 3 plus I root 11 divided by 2. Another one minus 3 minus root I root 11 divided by 2. These two values, that is one positive, one negative, that is 9 minus 20 is what? Minus 11. Here minus 11 can express in the form of what? Here, because root of minus 11 can written minus 1 into 11 is there, root of minus 1, root of 11, root of minus 1 is what? I. That is in the form of negative. Example number 6. Next, example number 7. Next, example number 7. Solve that is root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 root is equal to 0. Solve this one. This is quadratic equation. Degree 2, if it has exactly 2 roots, this is non-factorizable form by using the formula let root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. That is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are coefficients or real is there. A is equal to root 2, b value 1, c value root 2. Non-factorizable form, by using the formula we know that x is equal to, if it is non-factorizable form, by using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is equal to minus b is what? B is 1. B is 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 square minus 4. A is what? Root 2. C is what? Root 2 divided by 2. A value is what? Root 2. Here root 2, that is root 2 is equal to root 2 square. Square and root get cancelled, 2. Otherwise root 2 is equal to root 4, value is what? 2. This is, here is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 into 2 divided by 2 root 2. Root 2 is what? 2. This can be expressed minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 8. 4 2 is 8 divided by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is equal to, that is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 8 is what? Minus 7 divided by 2 root 2. Root of minus 7 is what? Minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 divided by 2 root 2. This, therefore, the values are 1 positive, 1 negative. 1 positive, 1 negative, these two values. Solve. Degree 2, 2 solutions or 2 values or 2 roots. Next example number 8. Next, solve. Example number 8. Solve minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Let minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This quadratic equation, here a value is minus 1. If you take consider, but in this place, this make it positive, multiply by minus 1 on both sides. Multiply minus 1 on both sides. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Here minus plus x square, plus becomes minus x, minus becomes plus x is equal to multiply by any negative as a 0. This is quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation, then solve. This is in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is what? 1, b is what? minus 1, c is what? 2. A value, b value, c value. We know that the formula for non-factorizable formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Substitute a value, b value, c value. That is x is equal to minus b value is what? B value is minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 1 whole square minus 4. A is what? 1. A is what? 1. C is what? 2 divided by 2. A is what? A is what? 1. That is minus minus plus or minus square root of negative square always positive minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2. Any doubt? Here b square minus 1 whole square, negative square always positive, 1, 4 2s are 8, minus minus plus 1 plus or minus root 1 minus 8 minus 7 divided by 2. Negative outside, 1 plus or minus I times of root 7 divided by 2. Therefore, x values 1 positive, 1 negative. One positive, one negative. This is the quadratic equation. Next, example number 9. Next, example number 9. X square. Next, example number 9. Solve x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Let here x square plus 3x plus 9, this is a quadratic equation of degree 2 if it has 2 roots. This is non-factorizable form. By using the formula, its before form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is what? Here a is what? 1, b is what? 3, c is what? 9. Non-factorizable form, we know that the formula, the formula x is equal to, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute a value, b value, c value, that is minus, here b is what? 3, b is what? 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4, a is what? 1, c is what? 9 divided by 2 into a is what? 1. That is equal to, here minus 3 as it is, plus or minus square root of 3 square is what? 9 minus 4 into 9, 36. 36 divided by 2. Here in this form, that is here root 3. 9 minus 36 is what? 27 is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 36 minus 27 divided by 2. Here this can be expressed in the form of what? Minus 3 plus or minus I taking outside root 27 divided by 2. Here this can be written minus root 27 can written, that is here root of minus 1 into 27. Root of minus 1 I root 27. Here next 27 can express in the form of what? 9 into 3. 9 into 3, that is root 9 root 3. 3 root 3. 3 root 3 is there. This can be written minus 3 plus or minus I times 3 root 3 divided by 2. One right positive, one right negative. Clear? This is example number 9. Next in the form of what? Example number 10. Solve. Example number 10. Solve. That is root 3 x square. Root 3 x square minus root 2 x. Root 2 x plus 3 root 3. 3 root 3 is equal to 0. This is example number 10. Solve. Let question in the form of what? Root 3 x square minus root 2 x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. This is in the form of what? Quadratic equation. That is quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is what? Where a is what? Root 3, b is what? Minus root 2, c is what? 3 root 3. 3 root 3. That is non-factorizable form. By using the formula, we know that the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute the values b. B is what? B is minus root 2. Minus root 2. Plus or minus square root of b square. Here minus root 2 whole square. Minus root 2 whole square. B square. Minus 4. A is what? Here A is what? Root 3. A is what? Root 3. C is what? C is what? 3 root 3. 3 root 3 divided by 2a. 2 is what? Root 3. 2 root 3. Any doubt? Here b value is what? Minus root 2. B square minus root 2 whole square. Minus as it is 4. A is what? Root 3. C is what? 3 root 3 divided by A is root 3. 2 root 3. Simplify this one. That is minus plus root 2 as it is. Root 2 as it is. Plus or minus square root of square root of negative square. Negative square always positive. Keep in your mind, negative square is equal to what? Positive. Negative square always positive. Here square and root get cancelled. In this place, here minus root 2 whole square can be written in the form of plus root 2 square. Square and root get cancelled. Value is what? 2 minus. Here 4 as it is, root 3 root 3. Root 3 root 3. Root 3 root 3 is 3. 4 into 3 into 3 into 3 because root 3 is equal to 3. Root 3 is what? 3 is equal to root 2 as it is plus or minus square root of 2. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 4 36, or 4 3 is a 12, 12 3 is a 36, 2 root 3. Next is equal to root 2 plus or minus 2 minus 36 minus 34 divided by 2 root 3 is equal to root 2 plus or minus, I take minus, take outside, I root 34 divided by 2 root 3. Any doubt? Here that is solve root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Let root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. This is in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is non-factorizable form where a value is what? Root 3, b value is what? Minus root 2, c value is what? 3 root 3. Here non-factorizable form, by using the formula is what? Finding the value of x, two values, by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute a value, b value, c value. Here b is what? Minus root 2. Understood? Already minus is there. B value is what? Minus root 2. B square minus root 2 whole square minus as it is 4. A value is what? Root 3. C value is what? 3 root 3 divided by 2. A value is root 3. This is minus minus plus root 2 plus or minus square root of, here minus root 2 whole square. If this square apply with negative and root 2, both root AB can return root A into root B, same as it is. Negative square is what? Positive. Negative square is what? Positive. Negative square is what? Positive. Root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square is what? 2. Understood? With negative sign and root 2, both apply the square. Always positive. 2 minus as it is 4. This 3 as it is. Root 3 is what? 3. Because root 3 square and root get cancelled, 3. This is 4 3 is a 12, 12 3 is a 36. 2 minus 36, 34. Which 34? Minus 34. Negative outside, imaginary I. In negative outside, imaginary I. Because root of minus 1 is what? I. This can be written in the form of what? Here, because root of minus 34 can return root of minus 1 root 34, that is I times of root 34. Root of minus 1 value is what? Imaginary I. Understood? This is keep in your mind, this is very important. Minus of root 2 whole square. Here minus of root 2 whole square, this can be minus root 2 whole square can return in the form of minus 1 whole square root 2 whole square, root A, root B. Negative square always positive. Square and root cancel. This is plus 2. That is the value for two values in this place. Here two values is there. One value positive, one value negative. Next Here class 14 and example number 11 I will start in the next class. Okay, thank you.